Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to show you how to blur a part of a video in CapCut. So let's get started. Open CapCut app on your phone or browser. Click on New Project to start editing one. Once you selected a video, this is where the magic happens. Basically, this is the video that we will edit. Now, we're going to select a part of the video that we want to blur. Let's say this one. We're going to blur the mountains. Now click the video, then click on split. Next, tap on the video that we're going to edit. Swipe to the left and look for duplicate. Then click on it. Click again this first video, then go to video effect and search for blur. And tap blur effect. Then click on the check mark to apply this effect. After that, click the second video or the duplicate one, then swipe to the left and look for overlay. Drag this duplicate video to the left part of the screen to overlay this from the first or the original video that we just cut. Now, swipe to the right and look for mask. From here, you can choose your preferred blur shape. And in this case, since we're going to blur this mountain, I'm going to select mirror. Now to adjust the blur size, just swipe the screen using your fingers to enlarge or reduce, and place it on the appropriate part of the screen. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.